Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Zoho Projects for team management. Zoho Project is a cloud-based project management tool designed to help teams plan projects, assign tasks, track progresses, and collaborate in one place. It is widely used by companies and remote teams to keep work organized and ensure everyone knows what they need. Using Zoho Project for team management allows you to assign tasks to team members, track deadlines and progress, communicate with your team, monitor project timelines, manage files and documents. Below is a step-by-step guide on how to use Zoho Project for managing a team. So first, open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. What you can do is type down zoho.com and enter it. And over here, once you reach into this zoho.com, make sure you already logged into your account and go to the CRM over here. And over here, scroll a bit down and go to this Access Zoho CRM. Over here, what you can do is you need to create a new project, or you can create a task in the top right corner over here. And over here, you can type down the subject, your due dates, here your contact as well. Simply type down your subject. You can also edit the page layout in the top here. You can also select to this reminder over here. Select to this description information over here. So over here on the left hand side, you need to select to this project. Scroll a bit down until you find to this project. Select to this get started. And over here, what you can do is you can type down the portal name of your project and select to the save on the bottom. Over here, you can also add the modules, your client, accounts, contacts as well, and you can select to the save on the bottom. And over here, you can also give access projects module. Over here, select to this access project module here. Over here, you can edit your project name, task, phases, and issues as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.